Hello everybody, it is JQ Crafty. It is Product Focus Friday, spring cleaning today. I am playing with Little Yellow Bicycle. And it's also May I Scraplift You. So we are going to be scraplifting this lovely layout by Bangs and Glasses on Instagram. Super fun. I love the stripes and stuff. She had a bunch of them kind of posted like all the same day in the same post that I wasn't really sure which one I wanted to use, but I decided to go ahead and use this one. So we are going to use this Little Yellow Bicycle, Hello Fall. I have some photos of my son's Halloween from, don't remember which one this is. What year this is. I'll have to look that up. I can't remember. This wasn't last year. It might have been 2019. I think 2019. And I got this really good shot of him. He was Coyote Peterson. He is a adventure, kind of like the Crocodile Hunter, except for more educational for kids. I guess kind of like the Crocodile Hunter, just not as crazy and not Australian. He's from Ohio. But we watch him on YouTube, and he's actually had a few Discovery Channel series as well. So he wanted to be Coyote Peterson. So he's wearing a hat. We got him a vest with all his little tools, and we put a beard on him. He looks really cute. So I'm going to use, because of these lovely stripes, I'm going to use this lovely pattern paper from Hello Fall called, I don't know if these have names. Do these? Oh yeah, this one's called Happy Fall. Front, and then the back is called Red Splendor. So I'm going to use some of this spot especially. And then I think we might pull in some washi. I don't know. It came with this crazy like leather fabric thing that's not sticky anymore, that I will have to glue down, or maybe I could even stitch it down. So don't need the backing for that. And so yeah, I'm gonna play with this little section, and we're gonna use this beautiful paper that has the tree on it. That is going to be behind him, I think, is what I've decided. And I think I might frame the whole thing in one of these beautiful like turquoisey cardstocks, because this collection's very pretty. Very pretty. So yeah, let's get started. So because I have this stripe paper, this layout comes together very quickly, because also I'm using a background paper that has a super dynamic tree on it, so I don't have to add a lot to it. So it comes out super fast, like super fast. So I'm trimming those stripes down, the ones that I want, trimming them off the paper. And I'm just going to use that little Happy Fall as my title. And so, then trimming down the tree paper really quick. And I'm going to mat it on there. Awesome. I'm going to double mat my photo. I'm going to mat it on some white first, and then also on that turquoisey blue. This is pretty blue. Mat it on that as well, and a little bit thicker mat. So a nice thin white, and then a little bit thicker mat of that blue color. And I'm going to put the stripes on first before I adhere the whole thing down on the cardstock, because I want the photo to sit next to that title piece, and I'm going to cheat a little bit and put it on and then cut it off, and then put the whatever cut off behind the photo, so it looks like the strip goes all the way across. And that goes on super crooked. Like, don't look at it. It went on, somehow I got it on crooked. I'm not really sure how. I must have had it down crooked, so that when I trimmed off the excess, the edge was crooked. And when you do one thing crooked and you start cutting, it's like a snowball effect. Everything's crooked. So I glue down this fabric piece just how I wanted it, so that the photo's kind of tucked in. I'm loving the way this looks so far. And the main design of the page is done. Like, this was a very simple, easy layout to do, but super fun, and then you can play with things. So I grabbed some washi actually from Late Afternoon, Amy Tan's collection from last fall. Same colors. The colors were identical. So I'll grab some washi, did 3 strips of washi up there, did 1 strip down at the bottom to bring some more of that blue in. And then I'm going to go dig in my ephemera and I find these chipboard pieces from this Echo Park collection, Celebrate Autumn. I have the sticker sheet and the chipboard. That's from 2018. I end up using a bunch of all the leaves pretty much. And then 1 little mushroom. And I have that stump on there, but I thought it kind of looked weird because we have a full tree behind them and then just a random stump. So I'm going to look more in my stash in there too. And I also have a Simple Stories collection from 2012. A sticker sheet, Harvest Lane. Also very pretty. And all these rich, beautiful colors all kind of go together. So there's like 1 tiny little, like, it looks like a washi strip. I'm going to stick down at the bottom. And then I'm going to replace that stump with a cute little barrel of apples, because there's some phrase stickers on the Simple Story sticker sheet. One that says a barrel of fun or something like that. And then I stuck one on the sticker that says cutie pie. Or on the photo, on the sticker. But yeah, that's essentially it. Like I feel like I didn't need to do much else because I have all these awesome elements of the paper. So using some elements on pattern paper that to your advantage. And yeah, this Lego came out super, super fast. And then I'm just going to add some journaling over there in the far left of that blue, the rest of the blue strip. So like everything's down on that blue strip. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out other people who are playing along with the Product Focus Friday Spring Cleaning and May I Scraplift You. They will all be linked down below. And we will see you next time. Bye.